Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your PC before upgrading to Windows 11, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current files and data on your PC. Identify important documents, photos, videos, and other files that you cannot afford to lose. Choose an appropriate backup method for your needs. Options include external hard drives, cloud storage services, or creating system images. If using an external hard drive, connect it to your PC. Ensure the drive has enough space to accommodate all your important files. Open File Explorer and navigate to the folders containing your critical data. Select the files you want to back up. You can hold down the Control key to select multiple files at once. Right-click on the selected files and choose Copy. Next, go to your external hard drive in File Explorer. Right-click inside the drive's window and select Paste. Wait for the copying process to complete. If using cloud storage, sign in to your preferred service, such as Google Drive or OneDrive. Upload your files by dragging them into the cloud storage interface. Make sure all files are successfully uploaded and accessible from another device. For a complete system backup, consider creating a system image. To do this, search for Control Panel in the Windows search bar. Select Backup and Restore, Windows 7, from the Control Panel. Click on Create a System Image from the left-hand sidebar. Choose where to save the image, either on a hard disk, DVDs, or network location. Select the drives you want to include in the backup. Click Next and review your backup settings. Click Start Backup to begin the process. Once the backup completes, verify the integrity of the files and system image. Consider backing up your settings and programs separately if needed. After confirming that your data is safe, you can proceed with the Windows 11 upgrade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.